guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ishika and today we'll be learning how to make a stylus at home.
So these are the things that we would need in order to make a stylus: aluminium foil, water, scissors, pencil, tape and cotton swab or earbud. Now in my case I'll be using an earbud, but you can also use a cotton swab if you don't have an earbud. Now just for this step we would pull out some cotton out of the swab and roll it to give it a tip effect. The steps are going to be the same for both earbud and cotton swab. Now if you're using an earbud, you have to cut out the cotton part out of it, because that is the part we would use to give it a tip effect. That would be the tip of our pen. So this is how you would just put the cotton or the earbud cotton onto the pencil. Now this might wobble, so we would just secure it using a tape. So this is how we're going to do this. Now our pen has become a bit stable. So now we would use aluminium foil to make the stylus work. So this is a bit bigger for me, so I'll just cut out some part of it. So now one thing that we have to remember is that when we are covering the stylus, the pencil, we have to make sure that the cotton touches the aluminium. So this is how we're just going to wrap it around the pencil. And I'll just secure the tip so that it is touched properly. And now if you feel that the aluminium might fall off, just secure it using a tape, just like that. And you can also use it in the middle or the upper portion of the aluminium if you feel that it's not properly joined with the cotton. So our pen is almost ready. Now for the final step, what we're going to do is we will use some water and we would just take some onto the cotton. Now we are not supposed to dip it in the water. Do make sure of that. So we'll just put some of it on the cotton just so that the cotton absorbs a little water. And just like that we are going to press it to give it a more tip effect. So now our pen is ready and we can use it. So I have this laptop over here which has a touch screen. So now I'll be using my stylus onto the laptop and see if it works or not. Okay, so it worked. So guys, this is a really cool hack if you want a stylus and you cannot really find it anywhere. So yeah, do subscribe to my channel. So now I'll be using this stylus on my Instagram and see if it works here or not. So this is my Instagram handle and well, it did work. So guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!